and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the 5 main steps to manifesting, such as asking, visualizing, feeling, believing, and receiving. First of all, asking. Well, to have whatever you want in life, you have to first ask for it. How do you ask for it? Easy. Grab a piece of paper and write down in present tense, thank you God and universe, and write down in present tense what you want. For example, let's say you want a car, you're going to write down, thank you God and universe, I am so grateful that I now have my blank model of the car and blank color of the car. The better the details as possible, the more accurate the universe will receive your request and will give you a better present and a better manifestation. Second of all is visualizing. When you're visualizing, you're going to have to see it clear in your mind. And you have to repeat the affirmation you just wrote down for at least 10 to 15 times a day. If more, the better. And you have to daydream looking at your surroundings as you already have whatever you want. For example, let's say you have the car to share with your family, friends, and your boyfriend or girlfriend. So visualizing, try to be on the car, for example, with your family and friends and your boyfriend or girlfriend on a road trip, hearing your favorite music while you're driving. You have to see it clear for it to be accurate and powerful. The better you see it in your mind without blockages, the faster it will come. Third of all is feeling. Feeling is the most important key of the 5 because, as many people say, emotions are energy in motion. And when you project energy in motion, you attract whatever you want in life faster. And the most powerful emotion of all is love. So whatever you want in life, you have to love it, you have to have a passion for it. And as now Napoleon Hill said in his book, Think and Grow Rich, you have to have a burning obsession for your desire, for the universe to know that no matter what, you want it in your life. So feeling is key to everything that you want in your life. The more love you feel, the more love you will attract, the more reasons to feel love you will receive, and also your manifestations will come true if you feel love. Believing. Believing is key to anything. You cannot do anything in life without believing you can. So, for example, you know that daylight appears, you know that moonlight appears. You know that there's day and there's a night. You don't worry about it, you just know it will happen. So that's the type of belief that you're going to have on the universe. When you are already trying to manifest something, you're going to have to believe in the universe that it will come to you as fast and better as possible. And you have to realize and tell yourself that if you're not receiving what you want, you're at least going to receive something better. There's no other way around it. Either you receive what you want, exactly as you want it, or something better. So feeling is key. And believing. It's also important to thank the universe beforehand, as if you already have whatever you want, and try to feel good. The last one is receiving. This is where your gifts appear, and whatever you want in life will come to you. This is the part where you have to be receptive to the universe. You have to look out for synchronicities. You have to ask the universe for signs. And you also have to be thankful and try to feel that you already have it and it's already coming to you. But it's important to know that while trying to receive it, and after all the steps that I gave you right now, it's also important to not question the universe. Just ask, believe, feel, visualize, and will receive. Don't try to question the universe. When is it coming? Why is it not coming yet? Because that delays the universe. You don't want to do that. But well, that's all for me. Thank you, YouTube. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to